Hello, hello. So, we thought we'd start something new because, well, obviously we have a shortage of projects. So where we're doing the railway carriage and garage or parking or whatever it's going to be, I've had to lose my fudge patch. So I've got an allotment. Woohoo! This should be interesting. I've never done anything quite like this. Sort of, beds in the garden, grew a few things there, but I've never done anything with like from scratch like this. So that is going to be interesting. You can sort of see the size of the molehills. Oh my goodness. Few old trees and posts and whatnot, brambles, nothing too major, I'm sure. So I'm quite keen to discover what we've got ourselves into. Oh my goodness, what have I done? I've just introduced Craig to the plot as well. So yeah, as you can imagine, he is happy. Right, well, wish us luck with the next endeavour. See you soon.
Welcome to our next adventure. We've brought a plot on an allotment, which is over there. Rented. We haven't brought it rented. So this is our first trip out. We don't know what we brought. We don't know whether we got everything. We're just emptying the boot into our little trolley. We're going to have a wander over there and see what we can do. Well, I can't do anything because I've just had an operation on my hernia, but I'm going to sit and watch and maybe do a bit of recording. So we'll see what happens. But we got a few bits and bobs. Got a strimmer, got fuel, got a handle which Steve's just found. Probably forgot a toolkit, but we might need that, we don't know. But I need to get my boots on and start with the fun. But the weather's absolutely gorgeous. Was it late January? Yeah, it's late January. What's that for? Is that strimmer stuff? Yeah, put it in the bag, put it in the trolley. We should take and then see what we need, and then maybe have to come back or whatever. But we only live just down the road, so it's quite cool. I need what are you doing? I need that. So right, I'm gonna stop filming. Say bye, Dee.
Bye, Dee.
Bye, Dee. Any idea what the goat's name is?
Cuba?
Sorry?
No idea.
Okay.
Ask it. Do not, Pete's sake. Welcome to the plot. How exciting.
Right. I'm going to sit and watch you.
Yeah, I'll get you.
Right. Toodaloo. Dee's first go on a... What? Stop.
Sorry. Hi, day one at the allotment. So far we've cleared this little area. This trusty thing. We've moved all of this. So I'm not quite sure what I can do with this stuff. Wire cutters with barbed wire and fence panels. So I've just dragged it all along. Then there is a few trees that are falling down. So we're using that for some firewood. So I've been chopped it up and putting it in this bag. Our neighbour kindly gave us. So we'll take them home with bed. I've got a few more panels over there. I think that tree is dead, which is a real shame. But we will have a look at that once we've cleared it and go from there. Need more tools. Need a rake, definitely. What else do you think we need?
A rake to start off with, I think, and some better choppers.
Yeah.
So we can cut some of this up.
Yeah, because they're a bit bigger than I anticipated. I don't know why. I saw the video. I took a little video and I didn't bring all the right tools. I didn't know. The idea is that I'll clear that area because I want to put all the composting stuff up there. So that'll go there first. I've already laid a bit of tarpaulin down here as well because I thought, well, we know how to kill grass, as you can see from our other projects. So we'll start with that, we'll keep that down, and the posts that we found in the grass we'll leave on top. Not even got to the spades today, so never mind. Day 2, here we come.